Hi, this is Bona again, but from a different time dimension. So I will be presenting to you Playposit's feature using Bitham and Sharp's learning design model. And according to this model, there are five factors that are crucial to evaluate students' learning experience. However, we will talk about that in more detail later on. I want you to focus your sight on the right side. So here is a basic overview of what Playposit looks like. Do you know sometimes when you have videos that are very important and add value to your lessons? However, you have to consider the students' attention spans, right? Some of them sometimes come directly from work, and and they just cannot really focus so much because they're just too tired, right? And what PlayPosit does is it allows you to put or insert interactions within the videos, like notes, questions, and discussions within these videos. So, on to the first learning factor, which is the learning environment. PlayPosit creates an interactive learning environment which allows learners to have personalized learning experience by giving them the freedom to study and understand at their own pace. And for activities, activities can include multiple choice questions, open ended questions, fill in the blanks, discussions, polls, and a lot more, as you can see on the video in the screen, right? These activities encourage students to participate actively in the learning process. And for learners, which I will focus a little bit more because my entire presentation is all about student-centered learning, in PlayPosit, there are different features to address different needs or preferences of learners. Here, for example, you can see how there are different options for playback. Like you can allow them to skip interaction, or you can tell them, okay, you have to finish all the interactions to complete the activity. So you have all of these options. And what I like the most is, for example, here is data analytics, which you can see how your students are progressing. It has information like completion status, grade status, average score, and with all of this information, you can try to adjust your teaching method and try to focus on areas that they need more attention, right? And another feature that I like is the collaboration tool. You have the option to share your bulbs to public or only your institution and other lecturers. Also, the students have the ability to collaborate among themselves with PlayPosit. And finally, with intended learning outcomes, you can achieve different learning outcomes here. For example, content comprehension, information retention, problem solving, collaboration and communication, and critical thinking skills. So that's it for Play Posit. I will let the present Bona take over.